Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron a polo shirt. Begin by checking the care label and sorting any stains. Treat them before pressing. Turn the polo inside out for logos and delicate trims, and use a pressing cloth on delicate areas. Smooth the shirt with your hands, then iron collars, sleeves, and body in that order, keeping steady, gentle pressure for crisp, even results that look professionally finished. Start by lifting the collar and pressing from the outer edges toward the center to avoid curling. Keep the iron moving and apply light steam if the fabric allows, focusing on flattening without overpressing. For the placket, use the iron tip between buttons while supporting the fabric with your other hand. Finish by flipping and briefly pressing the collar underside so it sits smoothly when you wear the polo. Begin with sleeves laid flat and press from cuff to shoulder to keep a natural shape. Move on to the body, ironing panels from top to bottom and smoothing fabric with your free hand to remove stubborn lines. Use light steam for cotton blends and avoid heavy pressure on logos or prints. Finish by hanging the polo on a hanger and letting it cool completely before wearing to preserve the crisp finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.